Hello. So today, guys, I want to
So
steam.
all
Like
we
I want
need
to steam my
is
face because I
I have
want
my
really want to
bath,
start my
I have my
facial
water,
skincare journey. So,
I
guys,
have. Then the next thing we need is this for cleaning of the face. Then I have my rose water glycerin. I have my serum. That's
serum from Fair and White. Then, guys, I also have my anointing oil. You can actually use any other oil of your choice. Then I have my towel. So, guys, are you ready? Let's start. So the first thing I did was to turn the water from the kettle into the bowl like so. After turning the water, then I have to dispense the the rose water into the water. About 2 drops is enough. Then after then I now have to drop 2 drops of serum into the water. Then I have to go in with my anointing oil as a daughter of Zion, now. So, guys, after these three ingredients, the next thing I did was to use my towel to cover so that I can begin the process of steaming my face. In this process of steaming of face, you have to be very careful so you don't hurt yourself or you don't get yourself burnt during this process. And as you have to do it for about 10 to 15 minutes, and at interval you need to rest. You don't have to come and go and kill yourself because you are steaming. So, guys, one of the importance of steaming is it helps to open up your pores so that you can actually get rid of those dirt that have clogged your pores, that make your face to sweat anyhow and give you all those spots and acne. And another advantage is that it can also help to, free your nostrils. Like if you have a clogged nose, it can also help you to free your nostrils so you can breathe well and breathe like human being. I really love doing this, especially whenever I want to start my facial skincare journey. I have to first of all steam my face in order for me to remove all those yama yama, that all those chemicals have been piling up on my face. Then after this process, guys, you will see the kind of dirt that will come out of this face afterwards. Guys, keep watching. So, guys, after steaming my face for about 10 to 15 minutes, the next stage was for me to use this face cleanser or this facial wipe to wipe my face. I was shocked the kind of dirt that came out of the face. Just look at the kind of something that somebody's child has been carrying on our face. Oh, Jesus Christ.
You make me, you do make me feel like Hollywood. Ooh, you make me, you make me, you make me, you do make me feel like Hollywood. Picture perfect moments.
So, guys, after cleaning my face, the next thing I did was to wash my face with cold water off camera so that I can clean my pores. Then I have to go in with my acne.com gel, after which I now use my moisturizer to moisturize my face so that my face doesn't dry out. Guys, this is basically what I did today in order to start my skincare journey. I hope you learned from my too. Thank you so much for